All right, cool. So I'm in three pairs right now. I'm in AUD, NZD, Euro, JPY, and GBP USD. I traded a reversal right here. The last time price had a high of 1.11400 approximately. It was about like May. It was never mind. It was like July. So a couple months passed by and it revisits this zone. To me, I think it's a viable trading opportunity, so I went ahead and sold at this daily zone. Now, my only issue with this trade is if it will break through this 4 hour zone, which I believe is decently strong because price has visited one, two times, and now it's visiting it again right here. I could potentially take partial profits, but this is why we're here. We want to see some more details. I'm going into the 15-minute. Let's see some more details. It's still showing some signs of it's bouncing at support, right? I don't see it breaking through at all. Broken one, two, three times. Now, if price hits a zone multiple times, the more it hits it, the more likely it is going to break through. So I think it's still a viable trading option. I could technically take some partial profits right now, but that'll only be like $10. If it goes all the way down, I might take profit. That's a cool 40. I'm only trading 0.01 lots my bad. I'm only trading 1% of my account, which is fairly slow. But hey, you gotta start somewhere, right? So look, I think it's still valid. I think it's still valid. I'm gonna put it in alert right here though. Just to let me know, hey, price is coming back up. You know, let me move this. Price is coming back up. It bounced at the support. Now it's coming back up. It could be a break even trade. We'll see how it plays out. But as of right now, I think it still has some potential of breaking to the downside and then going to this daily zone. But it's going to take some time. All right, moving along, we're on Euro JPY. The reasoning behind this trade, I'll let you know right now. Hold up. Okay. Reasoning behind this trade is it bounced off this well, it kind of looks like it broke out of this daily zone, right? Broke out of this daily zone and then price decides to come back down and then it breaks this 4 hour zone. Right? It breaks this 4 hour zone and it retests it and I'm like, "All right, cool. Simple break and retest on the downside. I'm gonna hop in." That's exactly what I did right here. This is a more viable entry. Like that would have been so clean. But we don't play with wouldas in this game. It is what it is. I saw price revisiting the zone right here, and I thought to myself, okay, cool. It's coming into the zone once again. I'm gonna just go ahead and place a trade right here. A better entry would have been here just because it's way deep in the zone. Super deep in the zone. And what? 10 pips difference, right? 10 pips 40 pips different. Never mind. That's actually pretty actually pretty good. That's a way better entry. But regardless, I'm in this trade. Price shot back up. Let's get a little closer. So price shot up. As soon as I entered the trade, price shot back up. It got deeper into the zone and it was having major indecision right here. Then after this doji right here, this doji candle, price finally makes a move on the downside, entering 50% take profit. And it comes back up once again, and then it revisits the zone before going down one last time. And this is where we're at currently. We're like at about 50% take profit, which I could take some profits right here, right now, but that's not what I'm gonna do. I want price to continue. Let me rephrase that. My take profit is down here. The reason I put it down here is just because it's at this low. So I think the likelihood of it revisiting this low again is pretty good. It's a pretty good chance, which is why I put my take profit right there and not all the way down here because price could be crazy, man. It could come down here and then it could just it could just come back up and then continue up, right? Like it could do that. So that's why this low I think is a viable option because I feel like it could revisit that low again, basically. So that's in profit. AUD and ZD and Euro JPY are in profit, and GBP USD is also in profit. I took these trades, damn. I took these trades on Sunday morning. So I haven't even traded. What's today? It's Tuesday. I took all of these trades Sunday morning and they still haven't played out. Look how long it's taking for these trades to play out, right? And this is how many 52 on the stop loss, 52 pips on the stop loss, and 157 pips. Okay, yeah, that's low key. That's low key a lot of pips. Most of the moves that I've been doing is like 40 to 50 pips, which is not bad. It's not bad. Uh, then again, though, the risk to reward ratio on this is a 3, and I haven't traded any trades like this at all. Like, I know this for a fact. Most of my trades, I'm touching like 1 to 1.25 or 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is super valid. I can be profitable like this. But I was feeling ballsy right here, and I was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna take it even further. I'm gonna take it even further, and I'm gonna have a target that's even further than what I usually do. And therefore, that's why I placed my TP right here at the 27% of the Fibonacci. Now, the Fibonacci, I don't know, man. I'm not big on indicators. This is one of them that's like, I like personally, I've used it for the longest. Whether it works or not, it's like, it's one of those things, man. It's like, could I be good without it? Yes. Does it make me better with it? Yes. Also, it's one of those things, man. I can't I just enjoy using it. It gives me a better confidence with my entries, especially. For example, I placed it at this high right here. And I placed it at this low. So 100% to 0%, right? Now, anything in between 50% and 61.80%, that's usually where the retracement is going to happen, and that's exactly what happened right here. Price visited this area between these two numbers, and then it immediately started going on the downside. It's going to revisit it. It came back to revisit it once right here, and now it's showing signs of a bearish movement right here. Yeah, see, we got 4 bearish candles back to back. This might even take like a week to play out, if I'm being honest. Like this might take a cool minute to play out, but if it plays out, this is gonna be one of my better trades. I'm not even gonna lie. Like this is a valid setup. Everything just lined up perfectly. And when I saw this on Sunday, it just lined up. It just lined up. The Fibonacci, like the Fibonacci is extra, and it lining up with the Fibonacci as well is like boom. Confirmation, confirmation, confirmation. I have an alert right here midway to the stop loss, but I'm gonna put one right here at the middle of this take profit. And whatever happens at this point, if price reaches 50% of my stop loss, I'm gonna look further into the market, deeper into the market. Usually 15-minute, I usually don't look past 15-minute. And I look at price action and I decide whether or not to get out of the trade completely, or if I think it's a good chance that it's going to continue on the downside. And then I stay in it and then I just wait until it hits my take profit. Additionally, I was going to say I could move my stop loss to break even, but at this moment, no, not yet. I think it's cool. I think it's cool. We chilling, we chilling, we chilling. All right. Okay, cool. So that's all the trades that I'm in right now. I'm gonna look for some more setups real quick. And Yeah, I'll be on my way to the gym after this. Oh yeah, if price reaches this, I'm gonna be looking to buy. Price hasn't hit it for a couple months actually. Yeah, since April of this year, which is crazy. And so if it revisits that, it's a high chance that the price is gonna bounce up from that. And we're just gonna see what happens. We're just gonna see what happens. GBP CAD. Okay, what's going on right here? Okay, I'm gonna scrap that. In reality, this was my positioning by the second portion. Okay, I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna keep that too. Price is continuing on the downside ever since it hit this daily zone. It's just been in a downtrend. I have this 4-hour zone that it's revisiting right here. Okay. These are the best options though, honestly. I can't see myself trading this just because it's already had its break and retest moment, the potential moment. I did not seize it. Now it's up here, and at this point, once it's reached back and broken these highs, it's broken these highs right here. Price could do anything at this rate. Like, I mean, it could always do anything. Well, what I mean is, it can decide to break this 4-hour zone and then come back up here and then start a new uptrend. So, GBP CAD, I'm not convinced it's a good one to trade right now. All right, GBP and ZD. Man, this thing is looking hella consolidated, bro. Got choppy that looks. GBP and ZD. I don't really see nothing right here, to be honest. GBP and ZD, dog. Uh, I might even scrap this daily zone because it's just whipping back and forth on it. No, but at the same time, it is still a good, valid daily zone. This price has visited it right here multiple times, as well as right here. It's respected it multiple times right here. My only issue is this. It just rips through it, and then it just rips through it one more time with this bullish candle. You know, it's really kind of bizarre. Bizarre movements by GBP NZD, which is why we are not going to trade it. GBP CAD, kind of the, no wait, just saw this already. USD CAD, that's what I'm saying. Imagine that. That's a good ratio right there. 2.23, that's super valid. Revisited this daily zone. I'm gonna scrap this alert. Scrap that alert. That would have been a viable opportunity for some sales. I mean, clearly, look at this bullish candle. This is absolutely insane. It basically hit TP with it basically hit TP with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. 5 candles. It moved 126 pips. With 5 candles is insane. I don't know what news event or what happened here, but I had it set up. I never entered this, bruh. I had the position size tool on it too. Whatever. It is what it is, man. I don't even like to think about this too much because it doesn't help thinking about it and pondering it, but it does give me more confidence and it serves me to tell me like, yes, you were right. At this very moment in time, your intuition served you right. You were correct. Not only that, look, I targeted the next highs. That's typically what I do. Targeting this daily would have been fire too, but this right here, this is good. This is a good opportunity right there. And boom, it hit it at 5 candles. USD CAD is something else, bro. USD CAD on some other shit right now, dog. All right. So okay, I don't. Yeah, I got stopped out of that. AUD it's mad choppy, dog. I don't even see nothing on this. Mad choppy, homie. This like, let me see. We gonna start this one over. We gonna start. You can see I had the red lines for my daily zones. That was my old color. Now I'm just sticking a gray. Just okay, hold up. It's not the greatest, but it's valid. It's valid. I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty good. Um, I deserve it. Oh, maybe maybe no right there. Hold up. Maybe yeah. Bop. Wop 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 wop. That come on. Wop 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 wop. I'm gonna do my stuff. Okay. That's pretty much all that's relevant as of right now. Let me check this one more time. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty valid. I'm content with that. Now going into the 4 hour, see what kind of stuff we see in the 4 hour. Okay, I see some right here. That's pretty good. That's pretty good right there. Yeah, it's about right. It's about right. Break and retest happened right here already, unfortunately. But this though, it's right here though. If we were look, this is a watch this. Not quite. Not quite what I'm looking for. Okay. I mean, in a way, this is a bigger break and retest right here in the daily. Right, so broke this 4 hour zone and then it's retesting it, but honestly, it's too late to even enter that thing. I don't really see much happening right there. Let's see what happens when price reaches this zone right here, because it's shown rejection various times. One, two, three right here, I'd consider that, even though it's a little sloppy, it's a little consolidated, but after having so much choppiness, it still eventually came back up. So I consider that one too. All right, AUDJPY. Okay, this is madness. I don't even want to look at this, dog. Yeah, AUDJPY. Bye. Is it DCAD? I don't really see nothing on this either. No crap. It's cool. It's cool. NCT, USDJPY. Ugh. I kind of like that more. Yeah, that's way better. That's way better. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about I don't know how I feel about USDJPY. Just keeping it a stack, keeping it a break. Euro and ZD. Look at these setups I have. Boom, boom. I need to get more used to picking a zone. I mean, look, this right here is 1.41 risk to reward ratio, which is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. The only issue is, seeing this, right? It's seeing that. I targeted this 27% area. Um, but the zone though, that's the thing. It's gonna hit the zone eventually, right? It moves from zone to zone. So just something I've been noticing. That's good right there. But now, let me see. What do I see price doing? Honestly, it could go either which way, bro. This can go either which way, dog. Ah, yeah, I don't really see nothing for that. EuroCAD was good with EuroCAD, homie. EuroCAD, I don't know. Honestly, don't even like it don't even really take that much to see something. It really takes like 5 seconds if I'm being honest. Like it's gotten to that point for me. It's just 5 seconds. Do I see something? No, moving on. Like it's really like that. It's really like that now. Whereas before, I was watching a couple videos of mine and it would take me a moment to really see if there's a viable opportunity. And I remember looking at these videos and thinking to myself, okay, that was clearly a very forceful trade. Like wishful thinking, I guess is the correct way to say that. You know, I was forcing a trade on the charts when in reality it wasn't that great of a setup or an opportunity, right? And I've learned to train that. I've learned to train that. In reality, I haven't even had a year doing this. This is the crazy thing, right? It's like I made these videos and I barely hit 100. So technically, even though I've been doing this since 2020, which was 4 years ago, in reality, I don't even have a year on the charts. Like I gotta think of it that way. I barely have 100 days on the charts, and I've already improved dramatically. That's just with the 100 day. That's not even half a year. Now imagine when I hit that year mark. Imagine when I hit that year and a half mark. I truly believe that within about 8 months, I hate to do time frames and stuff like that, but if I'm being honest with myself, within like 8 months, I'm gonna be at such a different echelon that I'll be ready to hit a live account. Now, should I do 2 bands? Should I do 3 bands? Only time will tell. We'll see what happens. But regardless, I'm still gonna do the same thing. I'm still gonna trade only 1%, maybe 2% of my account at a time. You know, nothing's really changed, honestly. And the way that I've been trading for the past couple weeks, I can't say that I don't know. I can't say that I'm exactly using a system. It's more so I'm using the system that I had loosely, which was entering a trade with a break and retest, with a clear break and retest. And the deal was I would enter when there was two bullish candles for buy, and if there was two bearish candles, I would enter for a sell. That's basically, the trading plan that I had. And occasionally, right, use Fibonacci, which I do. I just showed that I use the Fibonacci, right? And it's like now it's a mix of that and reversals. If price reaches a daily zone, because that's where it's most reactive. These daily zones, it's like look at this right here, for example. Not exactly on the daily zone, but it's okay. This right here. Wait, can I make this thicker? Can I make it thicker? Oh, guess not. All right. All right, whatever. Look at this, for example. Look how reactive the price is when it reaches this daily zone. It hits it once, right? And then it immediately goes into a bullish movement right here. Boom, right? A little hesitant. Do I want to go up? Do I want to go down? Let's go down again. Actually, never mind. I don't want to see any. I don't want nothing to do with this daily zone. Let me shoot back up. And that's exactly what happened. Now it's on this bull run. Price is very reactive at the daily zones. For this, I don't really see anything. Hmm. No, 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 no. Damn, I kind of don't, kind of don't see. Oh, right. No. Kind of don't see nothing. Really, I could just look at the 4 hours. Plenty of data. I need data in the 4 hour for me to see something. Okay. Okay, wait. What's this? Hmm. Yep, we're into the Dookie pairs now. Damn, a lot of these pairs been both weak. I'm not really liking what I'm seeing with these pairs. Euro USD. I might have to switch. FXCM is showing me this. I don't like that. I need to do something else. I think most of the ones that I'm using are FXCM. Oh, ACAP, FXCM, ACAP. Okay. That's the least of my worries right now, though. I'll get to that sometime in the future. The GBP CHF, what's the deal with this? It's in a range in between these two daily zones. I typically don't trade ranges. I mean, not even typically, almost never. I mean, rarely. That's the word. I rarely trade ranges. Just oh, look at that. Okay, we got something. We got something. See, this is something I can do. Although that's the thing. The best possible entry for this was up here. And I missed that opportunity. Now I've had this happen several times where I enter the trade at this exact moment. What we're witnessing right here live on the charts is when I would enter trades. And guess what? Majority of the time I'd get stopped out. So as much as I want to take this trade, it is a daily zone. It's rejecting this daily zone, and price has been on a downtrend since it hit this daily zone. I'm gonna do it. Yeah, let's do it. 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 Let's see what happens, right? Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna give it some room to do its thing. Right? I'm gonna give it some room. It's all right. 1.25. There. Cool. What? It's like 92 pips? Cool. Let's do it. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right. And I'm gonna skim through the rest of these real quick. You'll see a chef. I'm seeing nothing on this right now. Your GBP. Damn, this kind of too much going on right here. All right, NZD USD. Ah, real choppy pairs. I don't know about all this, man. All right, this is it. That's it. All right, so I'm just gonna enter this NZD trade, and then I'm gonna hit the gym, boys. Yeah, get a little chest bumping. NZD not a bad setup at all, mate. Let's see what we got here. All right. Position, size, cap. Bro, what am I doing? Where is it at? What? Alright, I'm gonna just do it on my phone then. Whatever. Position size calculator. Let's see what's good with that. Yeah, man, I need a full body massage. Just NZDJ, bro. Okay, so NZDJPY 73.2 stop loss. Yes, hello.
Yes, sir. I'm not on the wrong number. I'm looking for a Jose Chigua regarding a delivery. Do you know this person by any chance?
I do not know this person, sir. Sorry about that.
Hello, sir.
No worries. Have a good one. Bye. Anyways, NZDJPY. Okay. It's kind of a big stop loss, but at the same time, if price needs to move and it has some indecision, it'll have that chance, right? You know what? I might even just bring it up a little bit more. Okay. Because sometimes I've had moments where price will do that. It will come back up to the stop loss and take me out completely. And then it'll go into my take profit. And I'm like, dang, if only I had a couple more pips for price to do its thing and be patient, I would have, hit that take profit. So that's what I'm doing here right now. 76.8 stop loss. Short NZDJPY for 0.06 lots. What the heck? I don't even have. Oh, hold on. NZDJPY. All right, NZDJPY. We're selling NZDJPY. Invalid volume, apparently. We're selling NZDJPY for 0.06 lots. Invalid volume? The heck does that even mean? Yeah, 0.06 lots. That's what I'm trying to. This is very, very strange. This is actually. Invalid volume on MT5 means you're attempting to place a trade with a volume that is not allowed by your account or specific trading instrument, essentially exceeding the maximum allowed trade size for that currency pair or your account limitations. This could be due to a number that is too small, too large, or not the correct increment allowed by your broker. What? Each. Oh, maybe I'm in too many trades right now. But that doesn't make sense. I've been in like 8 trades before. Look, this is where I'm at currently. Hold up. Um, what's going on? No, Zoom is gonna crash on me. Yep. I just recorded about a 30-minute video and Zoom decides to crash on my ass. What the heck is going on here? I'm thinking it's starting to be my computer because yesterday I was working for an hour in FL Studio. And guess what? The whole system crashed right before my eyes. I was like, damn, these vocal takes were perfect. And the whole thing just crashed on me. I think it's the computer. This is ridiculous. And honestly, I've never even had Zoom crash on me. What the heck? Zoom? Really? Gonna crash on me? Bro, what the heck? Bro? Oh, wait. That's what I was gonna do. It says invalid volume. I can't enter NZDJPY for whatever reason. These are the trades I'm currently in. Now, I've been in plenty more trades before. Like, I remember being in like 8 trades or 10 trades. So it's very, very strange that this would say invalid volume. Let's get some more understanding of it, though. Key points about invalid volume. Each trading account has limits on how much volume you can trade per order, and trying to go beyond that limit will trigger the invalid volume message. Sometimes an error can occur if you mistakenly enter a volume with incorrect decimal places. That's definitely not it. If you're using Expert Advisor, it might be programmed to place trades with. That's definitely not it. Verify the maximum trade size allowed for the chosen currency pair on your trading account. Adjust volume input. Double check the volume number you're entering to ensure it is. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what it could be. This is very strange. Let's see what my leverage is. I hope it says it right here. My leverage. It's not coming up. It's not coming up. Hey, whatever. Well, I can't enter this trade. I'm gonna try one more time. Invalid volume. Okay, whatever. Anyways, man, I can't believe this thing just crashed on me. Anyways, the things that I covered were things that I noticed in my own trading journey. Right, so looking back at the videos that I used to watch, and one thing that I noticed is that I would force trades on the market, right? Like it's like I would force a trade that is there that I thought was there, right? So oftentimes I remember this too. I remember the feeling of it. I don't remember doing it, but I remember the feeling of it. And I remember thinking like, damn, I haven't set any trades. It's like Wednesday or Thursday or whatever. I haven't set any trades. I need to place a trade. It's not the right way to go because you're just gonna force a trade that honestly isn't even there. I'm gonna force a trade. I'm gonna speak for myself that isn't even there. And then it just ends up going to stop loss, right? And it just made me lose confidence. And another thing that I touched on that I think was super important is the um allowing price to do its thing. Like sometimes a trade isn't gonna set up for a couple days, right? And that's why it's important to have a stop loss that's not too small, but big enough so that price will do its thing. Like if it has to go into drawdown for a little bit before hitting the TP, then by all means, I'll leave that space there and allow price to do its thing. Because I remember this as well as having such a small stop loss that I wouldn't even allow price some time to develop. I didn't allow the trade to develop, right? So price would just immediately go to my stop. And then I'd be like, dang, that's the end of the trade. And then boom, it shoot back down or back up into my take profit. And I'd be like, wow, okay. It just needed some time to set up. What else did I cover? That's about it. Trading's been going pretty good. Oh yeah, I said I've only done 100 videos of these, right? I've been doing this since 2020, but realistically, how much time I've actually invested into this is not that much. Like I've only had like 100 days, and within like I want to say like within like the 60th day, I was already pretty much a break-even trader. Like I was a break-even trader, and within now break-even trading is pretty easy to get to. I would say, I mean, clearly I'm doing good with this account, right? Um, and yeah, I've been feeling really good, man. I've been feeling really good with this trading stuff. And like I said, if I've only had about 100 days, because I just hit like my 100th video, imagine what it's gonna be like when I hit a year, my 365th video or my 500th video. Oh, and that's also what I said. I don't want to put an exact time frame on this. I don't like doing that kind of stuff. But if I were, I think in like 8 months we're gonna see some crazy stuff. We're gonna see some crazy stuff happen. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm so disappointed that that first video got absolutely lost in the ether. Can't even trust in dude, I can't even trust my laptop anymore. I think it's the laptop. It's like 4 years old. So it crashed my FL Studio yesterday, and then it crashed my Zoom today. But whatever. Hey, BZ from the 323Z. I'm out.